In front of me is CUBOT Note 50, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Begin by opening Tab menu. Following that, click on Auto Rotate shortcut. As you can see, my shortcut is blue, which means that auto rotation is on. To switch it off, click on the same one again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down, Access Display, and scroll down again. Then click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!